In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 3 very simple smoothie bowls. Perfect for if you're in a rush on a morning and you need a quick breakfast. But there's a few things you need to bear in mind. If you want super thick smoothie bowls, I recommend freezing your bananas the night before. I recommend the fruit is frozen. Those bags of frozen fruit you can get from the shop are absolutely perfect. And I haven't added any extra sweetness to these ones. I'm relying on the sweetness of the bananas and the fruit. But if you do want to add extra sweetener to taste, I recommend using maple syrup, golden syrup, honey, or any healthier alternative that you prefer. So without further ado, let's get started with the first smoothie bowl. And it's going to be a delicious, healthy chocolate and peanut butter smoothie. To begin, place 150 grams of Greek yogurt into a blender. Peel and place in 1 banana or frozen banana if you've got it. Next, I've got 60 grams of pitted dates. These are going to add a lovely caramel sweetness to it. Then I'm going in with 10 grams of cocoa powder and 20 grams of peanut butter. Blend it up until it's smooth and pour it into a bowl. Now you can top these with whatever you want, and I'm going with 1 sliced banana, about 10 grams of toasted cashew nuts, but you can use any nuts that you like, and 10 grams of chopped dark chocolate chunks. Now we'll move on to our next smoothie bowl, and this one is blueberry. Begin by placing 150 grams of Greek yogurt into the blender, followed by 150 grams of frozen blueberries. Break in 1 banana and add 20 grams of oats. Blend it until it's smooth and then pour it into a bowl. Finish it with some fresh blueberries and some toasted oats or granola, or of course any toppings that you like. Next, we'll move on to making our beautiful raspberry smoothie bowl. And for that, it's very similar to the last one. Place 150 grams of Greek yogurt into the blender and then follow that up with 150 grams of frozen raspberries. Next, break in 1 banana and add 20 grams of oats. Blend it until smooth, add it into a bowl, and I'm finishing mine with some more fresh raspberries and some toasted oats. But you can use any toppings that you like. As I've said before, if they're not quite sweet enough for you, you can add your own sweetener to your taste and add any toppings that you like. These are such a quick and easy way to get a nice healthy breakfast in if you're in a rush. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.